Hi, I'm Kowsik. I completed my B.Tech in Information Technology in 2024 and my native place is Kanjipuram. I joined PySpiders in the last week of October last year. When I come to my trainers, my Python trainers Kesav Sir taught me very well and covered all the topics including data structures. His way of teaching and displaying concepts was excellent. And my SQL trainer Vinoth Sir explained every topic clearly, provided real-time examples that helped me understand better. My Django trainer Alex Sir taught Django from scratch. He gave us practical tasks that helped us to understand the concepts deeply. He covered Django REST framework, REST API and JWT token-based authentication. We also built a movie ticket booking system project which was very useful. I included this project in my resume. It helped me get shortlisting in many companies. And during my it's been 8 months that has been a training and presentation session, grooming session, and mock interviews. And when I come to the presentation session, was very useful. After each presentation, trainer would ask questions, and if I didn't know the answer, they would explain in detail, which improved my understanding. Well, grooming session is conducted by Kesav Sir, were extremely useful. We discussed problem solving techniques, coding approaches, and how to handle coding challenges effectively. And he explained me theoretical questions, how we can approach that, and where could we start, and what kind of approach we can do, like loops and conditions. It's very useful to me for better understanding, to apply my problem solving. And I also attend the mock interviews. um, when i when I cover all the topics, they will be conducted mock interviews, which felt like real interviews. They helped me overcome my fear and gain confidence. The trainers provided valuable feedback after each mock session and gave resume review tips, including how to improve the format and the content. So actually, it's been 8 months. It's actually a good journey for me, and I learned so many things when I before that I joined the institute. I will be very strong in coding and communication and everything, and it's very useful to me. And it's been 8 months now, and and I joined now. It's a well good company, and they gave and provided a well training now, and how to be in a real time experience in that company. So thank you.